What's going on, everybody? Everyone's been asking me how to make my Jeow Som. Today, that's coming. Here's your video. Let's get right into it. Alright, first we're going to get started with our chili peppers. I'll throw in a good amount because I'm making a good amount. Bam. Maybe a couple more. Sheesh. Just like that. 2 pieces of garlic. This is all we really need. Everything else is going to come a little bit later. We're just going to air fry this. Normally I use habaneros as well, but we didn't have any on this batch. Let's go ahead and check this out. Nah, I'll do that a little bit longer. One thing I've learned already is that the small steps matter just as much as the final result. From removing the stems to preparing everything by hand, this is all part of the process behind homemade Jeow Som. Kay actually showed me how to make this herself, and now she doesn't even make it anymore because at this point, I've basically become her personal Jeow Som maker. I've probably made over 50 batches by now, so this recipe is definitely locked in, but honestly, being part of this with Kay has made me appreciate the culture, the tradition, and the effort behind these dishes even more. Alright, we have our garlic, we have our chilies, and now we get the thumb. Most Asians, like I'm guessing every Asian household that does this, is on the floor. Like they sit on the floor and they mash. But I brought a chair, sitting down, and I'm just gonna get to work.
This shit will make you go.
If you're enjoying the video and want to see more authentic homemade cooking here on Kay's Kitchen, make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and let us know what recipe you want Kay to teach us next.
Damn. Shit.
How we looking? If you ask me, that's pretty damn good. That's what we want it looking like. Alright, now that we have it all mashed, I always start with the fish sauce. Apologies. And there's no true measurement. I eyeball it all. We're gonna do that like that. Go stir this around. I'm probably gonna add a little bit more. Cool. Good there. Usually I use lime. We don't have lime at the moment, but you can still use lemon. Normally use about 2 limes. When it comes to lemon, they're a little bigger. I might do just that 1/2 and not even a full squeeze there. It's there if I do need more. This is a chicken broth seasoning. So we're gonna go ahead. It's just bomb. we have our MSG. AKA make shit good. Alright, and then sugar. Not a whole lot of sugar. You don't want it too sweet. You don't want it too sour. But we're gonna go about yay. Come here. Mix, mix, mix. Got our bowl. We are going to pour our gel into our bowl. Alright. Have our cilantro already cut. That's it. You're going to mix. And honestly, this is a little thick. I really could split this into 2 bowls. Add a little bit more. Fish sauce here. Some more fish sauce here. This shit's gonna be fire. Hell yeah. Jeow Som at its finest, homie. I'm gonna taste test this right now. It's just gonna be gas, homie. We got our chicken. We got our gel. That shit's bomb. That's how you make some Jeow Som. I totally could have cut it off, but whoo-wee. That's just got some kick to it. Fucking good with any kind of meat, homie.